everybody, welcome back. Welcome back to Legion's channel. Today I have a very interesting segment for you. This is about the painting Iguazu Fall hanging here in Las Vegas in my living room. And I want to tell you the background story. But I want to start with a quote. It's from Picasso. Art washes away from the soul the dust of everyday life. As we are all in a pandemic time now, and I think to go to the nature or maybe artwork maybe can soothe your soul. Back in 2009, in October, my parents were visiting Taiwan at the time, from Taiwan at the time, and my husband and I, we just moved from East Coast to Las Vegas in end of August, and at the time it was so hot. Imagine now we are in almost end of May. Can you imagine the 3-digit? Today as the highest temperature is 108 degrees Fahrenheit. That equals to 42.22 in Celsius. So my father really wanted to give us a housewarming gift. So we wondered the best for him. He was an artist and art teacher. So the best is to have him painting something maybe cooling the house. So we can feel every time we walk around, we feel the cool, the waterfall. So he Googled it and we kind of brainstormed. Eventually, he got this image from Iguazu Falls. I hope I pronounced this Portuguese right. So this is our vision at the time. And we have this big wall, so we got this canvas about 4 foot to 5 foot. And within 1 week, he finished this painting bit by bit. It's oil painting. But this is not just 1 week work. This is about his time of spending practicing his artwork. He was a photographer, sculptor, watercolorist, a lot of award winning, #1. But he probably not doing so much of oil at the time when he was 69. But because he has 55 years experience. As a matter of fact, let me show you the book I wrote. That was my father's wish. It's a bilingual book called the Martin and His Piglet. It's about the time that he was discovered. Very good in drawing. So, but I wrote it down to make this a reality. If you are interested in this book, you can Google, or I will write it down on the description down below. It's martintruestudio.com. I had this website created back in 2005. Even he passed away, I never take it down. So more people can enjoy his painting at this time. Okay? So if you like more about, I talk about the paintings and things like that, this is the thing you can do. You can subscribe, and so you can get alert. I hope you like it. And until then, I will see you next time. You can share this link or this episode with your loved one or families or friends. I hope they can also enjoy it, okay? I'll see you, everybody, next time. Bye for now.